Hi, my name is Will Ellison. I'm a clinical psychologist and the founder and creative director of the Social Play Academy. And this is the Alliance of Dragons, our competitive tabletop program focused on social strategy, flexible thinking, and relationship skills. Alliance of Dragons, or AOD, is very different from our other programs. Unlike DOTS, which is fully cooperative, AOD is built around a simplified tabletop wargame, where players compete in dynamic weekly battle scenarios. It's like a social version of multiplayer chess, with shifting alliances, surprise twists, and a lot of opportunities to negotiate, collaborate, and adapt. In AOD, players can choose an army, build and paint their models, and take to the battlefield each week. But the real focus of the game isn't just on winning. It's how players manage alliances, navigate social decisions, and respond to the unexpected challenges of a competitive social environment. AOD is designed for small groups of 3 to 4 players and runs over 10 weekly sessions, each lasting about 2 hours. Because the social challenges are more complex and relevant to older participants, the game is introduced gradually over the first 3 sessions, giving players time to build confidence in both the rules and their social strategies. And in a fun twist, players can unlock stronger units for their armies by completing real-world social missions and take-home challenges outside of the sessions. Throughout the program, players explore more advanced social themes like handling social mistakes, repairing friendships, negotiating agreements, and reflecting on group dynamics. Like our other programs, AOD supports both explicit social skill development and embedded social learning. While each week introduces a core skill, like emotional regulation or navigating group conflict, the evolving game scenarios provide natural, real-time opportunities to apply and build on those skills. Here's a snapshot of the kinds of social growth that AOD encourages. Now, the goal isn't just to win the game, but to help players reflect on their choices, repair divisions, celebrate growth, and learn how to work both with and against others in a respectful and thoughtful way. Now, if you'd like to learn more information about AOD or any of our other programs, we'd love to hear from you. You can visit our website or you can reach out to us at admin@socialplayacademy.com. Thanks for watching.